Alright fellas, so we got this big wall. Didn't know exactly what to do with it, so we decided to put some bookcases on it, but it's a lot of bookcases, so we decided to kind of change it up just a little bit. So we're going to do some cabinets on the bottom and bookcases on the top. You can see a bunch of these, some DIYs on YouTube. But this is how I'm going to do it. So I went to the big box store and bought these cheap cabinets that would go almost like in a kitchen right there, but I'm going to paint them white. I'm going to put a top on them, essentially just a piece of plywood, and then I'm going to build my bookcases on top. That's the idea. Stay tuned and we'll see how I do it. These next couple frames are pretty much me putting the paint to it. I got the doors, got them on sawhorses there. Kind of showing you how I laid it on top and what the wood looks like before paint. Got the front of them painted in this picture. And then the next one is got the doors on pretty much and the side down. Day 2 of the bookcase cabinet project. Tried my hand at some edge banding. Of course I'm gonna jack that up with an iron, but check it out. It wasn't that hard. It comes in these strips like this. You freaking iron it on. That's all you do. I think it comes maybe a 64th too big or something like that. But you see the little lip right there. All you do is just take a razor blade, cut her off. These pictures are of the shelves being built. You see the first one there. It was a challenge getting the first one put in. Then the second one kind of went easier, and the third one went easier than that. There's the second one right there. This next picture is of the biscuit joints, the biscuit joiner that I used as my shelf pins. It worked out pretty good. I also did put another screw in from the back side to hold it in place a little bit better. There's another picture of it. You kind of see how it worked out. You see that joint right there, that's pretty tight, so yeah. There's the fourth shelf and then the fifth one coming in. You can see the biscuit sticking out. I'm just about done with these shelves. You see that the trim work is still needed. This next picture is with the trim work completed on the outside, still need to be painted. And here it is, painted up. I do pull it out here in a second so I could use a roller to paint the backside so I don't get the paint on the wall. And here is the finished project. Tell me what you guys think. And all in all, it cost me about $7.